This exactly is what is wrong with the world. And I'm not talking about the world itself. Like, I'm not talking about Israel Hamas war. Hamas is not even a country. I'm talking about the headline. Will the conflict crash the stock market? I mean, what is the point of this question after the move is already gone? How many more people do you want to get confused? And why do we need to listen to this 39 minutes of nonsense in this video? Do you really think stock market is crashing or going to crash, or it is going down because Israel is going to start a ground invasion on Gaza Strip? Yesterday, stock market fell. Do you think because Israel dropped 6,000 bombs and today it is going to drop mother of all bombs? So that's why stock market is crashing. I mean, if you think all of these things, then there is no greater fool than you yourself. And I made a video for my members when stock market was right over here, right before CPI. And I projected all of this thing. And I will make a video again how they will still going to capitalize on the next move. But if you guys think that stock market is going up or down because of some political news, then there is no bigger fool than you, which you already are. We already know this, but still, there's no bigger fool than this because of guys like you, this happened. What happened over here? Silicon Valley Bank collapse. Everybody and their mother shorted over here. So what's going to happen next? You want to know what is going to happen is go watch the video I posted in my group. And I posted just few hours ago in this YouTube channel. So I informed my group before the crash actually occurred about the whole down thing which is coming. So it's still time that you guys realize either you guys going to remain sucky and end up listening to the 40 minutes or 39 minutes of nonsense in each of the people's videos completing their watch hours, the same sort of people who were calling Nasdaq and S&P 500 top right here, like he called top here, he called top here, he called top here, he called S&P 500 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 top here, and ultimately he called S&P 500 top here. And now he's saying in his video, in this very Hamas-Israel conflict video, that he called S&P 500 top here. What about all the 1,000 times that you have been calling S&P 500 tops right over here all along? What about all the times? What about those people whose life you ruined with your calls? And now you are conveniently telling everybody that you call top here? No, you called top on each of these tops, on each of these last tops. The whole of the 2023 up move, you were calling top like a noob. And now you are telling us that Israel-Hamas conflict is going to crash the stock market? Yeah, right. Suit yourself, buddy. This is not how the stock market works, Ron Walker. And I'm giving you the same message that don't listen to the people like these, or not only you will lose 40 minutes of your life every day. 40 minutes of your life every day. Not only you will lose listening to the nonsense, it will make your brain so so useless. It will make your brain so inept. It will make your brain full of garbage that you won't be able to trade anything. And all the time you will be just glued to the news. You will be glued to the CNN, you will be glued to the Fox TV, you will glued to the BBC, and trying to anticipate what is going to happen to the stock market. So it's not going to work like this if you are going to be glued to the calls of that person who are calling tops all these whiles. It's totally hilarious. So stock market is not going to crash because of Hamas Israel conflict, and stock market is not dumping because yesterday Israel dropped 6,000 bombs. So it's about time you guys realize these things, that you are a fool and you are being made a fool. You are a fool, I already know it, but you are being still made a fool despite watching my videos. Then there is no greater fool than you are. I am the person who got all of this move. I'm the person who got this bottom. I'm the person who got this bottom top. I'm the person who got this bottom. I'm the person who got this top. I'm the person who called this bottom. I'm the person who called this top. And I am the person who will call the next bottom. And I already know what is going to happen on which date and what will be the ultimate result. I maybe not 100%, but like I'm pretty sure what is going to happen because I know what uh, stock market will do because I'm experienced. I'm not a YouTube watch hour junkie who's just looking for a completion of watch hours and get the ad revenue. So I'm just here to make fun of you, who is actually surprised that why stock market is now falling because of Israel conflict, because of Israel attack on the Gaza, because Israel is going to do this, because Hamas is going to do that. Most people, if you tell them where the stock market will go, they will they are still unable to trade the stock market because they do not have the skills, they do not have the mindset, they do not have the necessary required hours fulfilled to complete the trading execution. So if you want to join my group, this is the number that you need to contact me on WhatsApp, and the link is in the description how you can join it, and the link is in the comment section. So even if you will, I have noticed that even if you will tell them that on October 4 stock market will go up, they will they would not have they would not have the skill to long it. In fact, on October 4 they will go heavy short because sentiment is like this. Go watch my videos of last few weeks where I have been calling the October 4 bottom openly. Still, so many people ended up shorting over here. And I called this whole of this down cycle. And most of the people would end up long here, and over here they will end up short here, and ultimately blowing their account. So it's about time you stop doing what is wrong with the world. Stop following the nonsense which is there on internet. And there is only one guy you should follow who knows all the plan because everything is planned. Enjoy.